Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to Sin's Workshop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we are opening my FairyLoot's. So, let us get into it, shall we? Boop. Ba-doop-ba-doop. So, plain box means it is a one-off. So, let's see what one-off I got today. Yes! Alright. So, Crown So Silver. Here it is in the bubbly wrap. Let's see if I can find this. See, here we go. There's the seal. And there we go. Alright, so. Ooh. So, Crown So Silver by Lyra Selene. I love her name. Ooh. Ooh. This is the sequel to A Feather So Black, by the way, which was in one of their adult boxes. Ooh, look at that. I gotta read this series. I really do. So, here we go. Foiling on the hardcover. Foiling on the hardcover. Drop the box. It's okay. So the reversible dust jacket is the original cover, it looks like. Alright, making sure you guys got to see all of it. And now one more time for that. You can kind of see like that subtle detailing here, all the snowflakes. With the other one, it was feathers. So I really love the attention to detail here. This is why I freaking love FairyLoot. Their attention to detail is just amazing. Alright, and then you have end pages. Just a close up here for you. Make sure you get to see all of that detailing. That looks like the Silver Millennium from Sailor Moon. And now we have our back cover and pages. I kind of wish the stars had all been foiled, but it looks like there's no foiling on the end pages, which is fine. I just wish there had been foiling. I think it would have made it pop a little bit more. I'm getting Akatar vibes here. A little bit. In any case, I'm excited to read this book. I'm excited to read the first book. Hopefully I'll get to read them soon. I'm working through my TBR. Don't judge me. I got a pile of arcs I gotta get through. In any case, thank you all for tuning in to this unboxing of my FairyLoot exclusive edition of A Crown So Silver. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your book loving friends. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy reading.